Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to share you how to make a radial array. So you can see here this is a radial array. So to explain this tutorial I am giving a car model as an example. So you can see this is a car alloy and this is my reference image. So how to do it? So this is you can see here, this is alloy wheel, this is the array. So if I take this one, quantity, increase the quantity and increase this one, so you can see here. So how to do it? So let's start. So at first delete this one. So at first I have to make a model, the alloy wheel. So this video is not a tutorial to make a model of alloy. So this is the alloy wheel, this is the alloy. So I will make another video to how to make a alloy. So at first Shift S to cursor to center or cursor in world origin. So make this object in this is center because I have solid bevel. This is solid and this is bevel, and make the object as default because you can see here the location, rotation, scale is everything as default, and rotation I have make the rotation is 90 degrees. So make it this one, so this one, so make the rotation in 90 degree. So height, to press N. So go to the modifier icon and this is a mirror. I have mirror this one to click in on wireframe view and mirror it and keep it in top, then second solid and third bevel. And now I'm gonna add array modifier. So array modifier, so we know everyone know that this car wheel has a 4 alloy, 1 2 3 4 5 alloy. To make this one as a 5, so and set this one as a 0. So you can see here. So press Shift A to add empty as a cube empty. Make the size as a default size. So you can see here that make the scale size is 1. So keep it default size and keep the all location, rotation and scale, keep it as default. So change the name, radial controller, empty radial controller. This is a radial. I have made this empty cube as a empty radial corner controller. So click on the alloy and click on the object offset to click in it here, or you can see here the empty radial corner. Press on the N button to open the right panel, and you can select the empty radial cube controller, and this alloy has a 5 wheel. So at first so it has a 5 alloy, so 360 degree divided by 5 equal to 72. And keeping an object view, so you can see here, so change the Y rotation 72 degree, unit is degree, and Y rotation is 9. So this is if you rotate it in, so you can see here, so if I change the count, so it automatically 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So if I select this one and rotate, if I make this one as 10 to keep it at 36 degree and rotate it 0. So if I uncheck this one, so you can see here, if the alloy there are 10 alloy, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, because I have set the array 10. So select the empty, you can see here, so make it 72 and change the count to 5 and open the press the 5, so you can see here, this is the alloy. So thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with a new Blender tips. Bye bye.